Travis Lang from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and I'm showing my dad's truck. He passed about 1.5 years ago. This truck was finished in 2013. It's his pride and joy, and I'm still going to show it for him. But we make the F100 show every year out here in Tennessee. We're not going to ever miss it.
Oh, well, tell us a little bit about the engine you got here.
Well, we got it's out of a 98 Lincoln Mark 8 4.632 valve. It's got a Ron Francis wiring set up for it, wiring harness.
Go around, we'll check out the interior. Everybody that's looking at this truck, the interior on this thing is just, it's outstanding, the detail.
We decided to run a 63 XL Galaxy interior, put it into a truck. We used the bucket seats, the console, the gear shift is functional with the AOD transmission behind the 32 valve 4.6. He had the door panel shrunk down from the car pattern and put everything on trim wise that the car would have. We even put the handles like the car for the openers. We put the pedals like in the car. We even put we went to the trouble of putting the speaker grill between the seats and the back seat of a Galaxy to put it in this truck. To keep up with the XL theme, he made the steering wheel just a stock column, put a XL ring assembly in it. We've got an XL badging over on the glove box. It's got vintage air. We even went with like an original type headliner that's painted black, just kind of keep it simple. This truck won Best Interior at the Yellow Rose All Ford Car Show, and it even defeated a Riddler Award winner for interior.
Oh,
and
that's
it was
a lot
less expensive than the Riddler Award.
That's amazing.
Thunderbird. But,
it's a very, very beautiful truck. So how long have you had the truck?
It was finished in 2013. It was unveiled out here at the Nationals with 6 other trucks. And it was the truck of the year for that year.
How many of these do you have? Is this the only one?
Well, we've got several trucks, and my dad, he was probably guilty of trying to buy up every big window unibody, and I'm presently building a big window 56 Ford pickup, so I guess you could say we like glass.
Hey, that's okay. So, you need it in these old trucks.
Yep.
Well, it's definitely beautiful.
Color on it is a Mercedes Jupiter red. We changed the trim instead of the red stripe and left the 63 and 64 trucks. Of course, they only made the unibody from 61 to 63.
All right, you got is it the 07 GT wheels?
It's somewhere in there. They're 18-inch Bullet Mustangs.
Yeah, exited out to both sides?
Yes.
It's definitely beautiful, definitely beautiful. Brother, I want to thank you for showing the truck.
Thank you.
And I'll see you at the next show.